Hello, today I will show you how to use MFA app. So first thing first, you need to go on our website, which is called platform.myfoundingaccounts.com. Then you need to sign in or register if you don't have account with us. I will sign in with Google. Okay, and now I'm already logged into my account. At the bottom of the screen, you can find app navigation bar and click on account. Then you will find install mobile app. Here you can find instructions. Let's follow the instructions and add the main screen on our phone. Now we open the app from the wallpaper. On the page trades, you will find the whole list of instruments. Let's click on, for example, NGAS. To add the instrument to your favorite list, all you need to do is click on a star, then go to your favorites, just like scroll down, and here you can find the one that you have chosen. If you want to open a position, just click on the instrument symbol, and here you can find options sell and buy, stop loss, take profit, and set a pending order as well. Now to make a full screen, you just need to click this symbol right here on the left top side of the screen. You can change the time frame here. Let's put 5 minutes and let's go back. At the app navigation bar, in here you will find open positions as well as pending ones, the history of your actions, performance, finance, and when you click on account, you can start a new challenge and set the mode of the app as well. On the page trades, you will find the list of the instruments, all symbols and your favorite ones. When we swipe down to extend, we can click on news and all upcoming big events are scheduled. Top moves. That's all for today. Thank you very much.